Hello my paper crafting friend, welcome to this fauna edition of Paper and Joy. So this month we are making a card that features some butterflies, so that is our fauna animal of choice this month. So the card we're making is this butterfly card. So it's got several butterfly features down the edge with different types of white paper and a bit of colour pop as well on the card. Alright, let's go and see what's in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your packs you will get your card base, an envelope. We've got all our butterflies, so we've got one big one which is on like a sort of metallic paper, you can see that. Two medium ones which are on what's called hammer embossed. It's got little sort of dint marks in there. Two small ones which are on a linen paper, which has got like lines on there. Got our little mini one printed on coloured paper, and you've got your sentiment. Now I've got that on some transfer paper, so we'll take that off when it comes time to do the craft. You also need a scrap bit of paper for our gluing, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and also one of your little liquid glue containers. Okay, so let's get crafting. So first up you're going to need your card base, and just open that up because it is the craft paper that's quite stiff and doesn't sort of sit well if it's folded when we're trying to put things on. So open that up and we're going to glue on our butterflies. So grab your glue stick for this step, and I'm just going to go from sort of the bottom to the top. The first one we're going to glue on is our metallic, the largest butterfly, so metallic paper, it's the papery one. So turn it over and pop some glue on. Now these can sort of be randomly positioned, and what we're trying to do is sort of have them a little bit off the edge, because we're going to obviously cut them at the end. All right, our next one is one of the hammer embossed, so the ones with the little dimples in there. More glue. Put this a little bit over so all the butterflies fit up the edge of the card. The next one is one of the small linen papers. I don't know, you can't see the detail. There we go. I love this paper with the beautiful lines on there. Okay, so pop that one on. So all sort of a little bit overlapping. And the final embossed one. So you can know which one's it does have sort of a front and a back, and you can sort of see the front sort of pops a bit more, the back you can see the cut is going out. So yeah, and the features aren't as clear on the back as they are on the front. But look, if you put them on the wrong way around, it doesn't matter too much. I won't tell. Okay, and then I found a little linen one. Okay, and now we've got our small little mini one that's printed on coloured paper. So I'm going to pop that one on. Put some glue on. And this one just goes up the top somewhere, whether you can fit it in a little space there, or mine's just going to go there. Okay. Now we're going to swap over glues while this is drying, because we're going to then cut the edges off. Swap your glues over for your liquid glue and grab your sentiment piece. Now it does, for mailing, I have put a backing piece on there, so just take off, separate the two pieces of plastic. So you're left with one plastic with the letters on. And what we're going to do is glue, put tiny dab of glue on the letters. Oop, yeah. Be a bit careful. So what we're going to do is pop some glue on there and turn it over and stick it onto the card. Now they're not stuck, they don't sort of hang on too tightly, so we've got to be really careful with our letters. Now first step is to actually just push them down onto the plastic, otherwise there is a chance that they can just fall off once we flip it over. So just with your finger, just using my nail so I don't sort of get my fingers stuck on the paper, on the plastic too much. Just push them down so they're in place and don't sort of wriggle off. All right, now just move this up a bit. No, stuck. All right, just move this up a bit so we've got some space to glue. All right, now grab your little fine glue applicator. Just put some glue. There we go. Okay, and now just put a little bead along sort of, or some dots along each of the letters. Okay, not too much because I don't want them to sort of squeeze out when we turn the letters over, but just enough that they stick. Oh, it's coming out quite freely, so normally it's takes a bit more squeezing. So we might have a little bit that squishes out. Just don't want too much. Okay, last letter. There we go. Okay. Now this is when you hope and pray that everything is going to hold on the plastic while we flip it. Because it can go off. See this bee coming loose. Okay. You can see some coming up. Just push them down. I saw the H coming up there. And just trying to get that straight. And then push our letters down. And then I'll give that a few minutes just to dry so that I don't pull the letters up. So I will come back in a few minutes. You can let yours dry too. Okay, so So now we're going to just carefully lift off the transfer paper, just holding down the letters, make sure that they're sticking, staying down. There we go. And I'm just going to give mine another little press just to make sure that everything is adhered properly. Okay, so there we go. We've got our sentiment on, and the final step is we're just going to cut those excess pieces of butterfly off. So grab your scissors and turn your card over as we normally do when we're cutting. And just follow the line of the card and neatly cut. And there you have a Best Wishes card, which has got some butterfly features on in different types of papers. So hope you enjoyed making that with me. I had lots of fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.